The main difference between drumstick sizes is not weight. No, it's not the weight. And I found myself explaining this to a couple of our customers. The difference between 5A and 5B is not weight, it's diameter. The 5B has a slightly wider diameter than the 5A. That means you can have a 5A that actually weighs slightly more than a 5B. For example, within the range of 5A drumstick pairs, you can have different weights, slightly varies, and it's a range of weights. Okay, some 5As might be in the upper weight range and some 5Bs might be in the lower weight range, which means there's a possibility that a 5A is actually weighs slightly more than a 5B, because the main difference is the diameter, not the weight. Same thing applies to 2B. If you want to compare your 2B to your 5B, the main difference is the diameter. So depending on the type of wood that was used, a 5B can actually weigh more than a 2B, even though the 2B has a wider diameter, depending on the type of wood that was used. That's just to tell you that weight is not the main difference. The main difference is diameter. Of course, logically, if the diameter increases, then the weight should increase, right? But that also boils down to the type of wood that is being used. Okay, so at MTD Global, we use hickory wood, first class grade American hickory wood. At the moment, that's our latest product, this type, first class grade. And thank you for the good feedback so far. So far, we don't think there's anything to improve on this anymore. So we're going to just keep doing this. And very soon, we're going to introduce some new series. Watch out.